welcome to Tiny Board Electrics. My name is Tom Alderdice and I am the founder here at Tiny Board Electrics. We are a bespoke electrical system design, supply and consultation company with the sole goal to not only help you develop your knowledge of electrical systems, but to design your electrical system, supply your electrical system, and to provide you with the comprehensive customer support that you feel you may well need from before, during and after the installation process. So our services vary from a standard one-to-one consultation where we can sit down and answer any questions or concerns that you feel you may well have. We have a system design service where we can calculate precisely what size batteries you need, how many watts of solar you need, how large your inverter needs to be, how big your DC to DC converter needs to be. So we're able to provide you with a bespoke quotation that's perfect for your requirements, no bigger and no smaller. And we also have a wiring diagram service where once your electrical system does arrive in the post, you have an in-depth wiring diagram to really help you through that installation process as well. We also have a comprehensive support network comprising of online videos, PDF documents, and the WhatsApp group to really, again, help you through that installation process from start to finish. We also have an online store where you can peruse all of the products that we sell. They're equipped with all of the product sheets, all of the data that you need for choosing the right components. If you need any assistance for choosing components, don't hesitate to give me a shout. I'm always here to help. I love doing this. It's what I'm here to do. So send us an email, give us a phone call, send us a form submission on our website. We can't wait to hear from you. Thank you again for checking us out. All the very best and take care. Bye now.